Hi, my name is Bai Micaela Sulaiman, and I am a dedicated Amazon virtual assistant specializing in e-commerce solutions. I hold a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, major in Computer Systems Engineering from the LaSalle University. I recently shifted my career to e-commerce because I wanted to grow, challenge myself, and explore new opportunities in digital marketplaces. My background includes roles such as recorder checker, track scale operator, and WMS operator, where I developed strong skills such as data management, record keeping, and organization. These roles taught me the importance of accuracy, efficiency, and problem solving, which are all essential in managing e-commerce operations. I specialize in product research, supplier sourcing, listing operation, inventory and order management, and Amazon sponsored ads. Using tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, and Unicorn Smasher, I identify profitable product with high demand and low competition. I also leverage Microsoft Excel, Word, and Google Sheets to organize data and ensure smooth workflow. I'm committed to learn new tools if required to better meet my clients' needs. My technical background, combined with my skills in data analysis, allows me to make informed decisions, track trends, and deliver strategies that drive results. I am excited to be part of a team where I can grow both personally and professionally while contributing to the success of Amazon sellers. If you're looking for a dedicated and result-driven virtual assistant to support your Amazon business, I'd be thrilled to work with you. Let's connect and take your business to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I look forward working with you soon.